Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we dive straight into how to sort tasks by deadline on Asana, a fantastic way to keep your work in order and meet those all-important deadlines. First up, we need to open Asana and navigate to the project where our tasks are located. This step is crucial because Asana organizes work by projects, and each project can have its own unique set of tasks. Once you're in the right project, you'll see a list of tasks on your screen. Now that we've located our tasks, we want to bring those deadlines front and center. To do this, look at the top of your task list, and you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Sort. Click on that. The reason we do this is to access the sorting options that Asana provides. These options allow us to rearrange our tasks based on various criteria, such as due date, assignee, or priority. Next up, we're going to choose Due Date from the drop-down menu. This helps us because it rearranges our tasks according to when they are due. The tasks with the nearest deadline will now appear at the top of your list. Let me explain why this matters. By sorting tasks this way, you can immediately see what needs your attention first, ensuring that no deadlines slip through the cracks. Once you've clicked on Due Date, Asana does the work for you, arranging your tasks from the earliest to the latest deadline. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is scanning the due dates of all your tasks and reordering them based on the date and time you've set for each task. This feature is a real time saver, helping you focus more on completing tasks and less on organizing them. To wrap up, sorting tasks by deadline on Asana is a simple yet effective way to manage your workload and ensure timely completion of your tasks. Remember, the key steps are to navigate to your project, click on the Sort drop-down menu, and select Due Date. With these steps, you'll be mastering deadlines in no time. Thanks for joining us today, and remember to stay organized and productive.